Hey guys, it's Tiffany. Welcome back. So today is the final reveal to my Baking Spirits Break group swap. And I wanted to take a moment just to thank each and every one of you who participated. I know this is the busiest time of the year for a lot of us, and for you all to get your projects out and and get to me in a timely manner. I really appreciate that. You all put so much heart into your work. It shows, and I hope my reviews, showed that for you all. And for those who have been following us, thank you so much for your support, for supporting these ladies in their crafty journey and mine as well. We really appreciate that. So again, this is reveal number 28, and this is from my crafty friend Maria. And Maria is Plenty of Designs on Instagram, and I'm not sure if that's her YouTube as well, but I will link all her information down below, so you can go ahead and check her out. Thank you so much, Maria, for joining. I really appreciate it, and I'm so excited to see what you created. So let me get right into your box. Okay, and here's the card. So let's open the card here. Oh, and how cute is that Santa? Look at this postcard. So it's a matching set. And the postcard says, "Hi Tiffany, Merry Christmas. Thank you for being patient with me and sending my swap. The small package is for you as a thank you for hosting the swap. It was a lot of fun and I hope you host more. Have a wonderful holiday season. Merry Christmas to you and your family. Your swap crafty friend, Maria Mursa." Well, thank you so much, Maria. So Maria and I met in a crafty group on Facebook, and we've been crafty friends since. And so yeah, we've swapped a lot, her and I. So let's see here. Okay. So this is the smaller bag. So I'm going to go ahead and open it. Thank you so much for thinking of me, Maria. Appreciate it. So y'all, this went by quick, huh? 28 swaps. Whew, I thought it would never end, but time flies. Okay, so look at this pretty box here. So this looks like the KS Craft recipe box. And look at this, how she decorated. She has some tulle here, and then she used some ephemera pieces from the paper collection. And she has some some berries here. She put some snow on the berries and some snow on the ephemera in the back there. And here she has some glittered utensils, and it says bake. That is so cute. So in the front here, looks like some fuzzy socks. Love socks. Oh, and look how cute. These are cute Christmas light socks. How fun is that? And they're super soft and fuzzy. Thank you so much for that. You can never have too many pairs of socks, especially now. Texas, it's been getting really cold here, so yeah. So here she made a dangle. Look at that, so pretty. Oops. Look at this pretty dangle, guys. And I love how she housed the dangle. I don't know where this is from. Is that like a scrap diva die maybe? But anyway, look at that. So she has this pretty bead, a big focal bead at the bottom there, and then she has the cookie cutters, a candy. Look at that cute snowman and some enamel charms there. So pretty. And there's a polymer clay peppermint bead, and then the Christmas tree at the top. So pretty. Thank you so much. I love dangles. Now that I see more and more in person, it's kind of helping me, to work on my technique. And here's a cute gingerbread pencil. Love him. A couple candy canes. Oops. And in here, let me put that back in there. This is a Sweet and Shimmer Whipped Vanilla Hand Cream and Shimmer Lip Balm set. Oh, that is so fun. You know what? My daughter's going to probably want this. I'm going to have to hide this from her. So here's the lip balm, and this is the whipped hand cream, which I need. My hands are always dry. I wash my hands so much and I sanitize so much that they're just always dry. Thank you so much. I really appreciate that. Thank you for thinking of me. So I'll put that aside, and then let's get into her swap. All right, so this is her swap here. Oh, look at how cute this is. All right. So this looks like the KS Craft picnic basket, I believe. Again, so sturdy. She used heavyweight cardstock, and she has all the layers on there. What a pretty paper collection. Look at that cute mouse there holding like a mason jar full of like sugar cubes. And look at the brads. They have what are those, rolling pins? How darling is that? And this is the front here. It says cookies. She has some tulle there. She used glitter to make some interest on her ephemera pieces. And it's all propped up on foam here, so it's dimensional. She has the measuring cups. That is so pretty. So let's dig right in and see. So first here, oh, that is cute. I think these are snowmen. Oh yeah, because the carrot nose is there. So like peeking snowmen. And she put family recipe on the top there. How cute is that? So you're going to get that. And in here, you got a couple candy canes. So I'll just put that back in there. To the right, look at these pretty rosettes. So let me take this off nicely. Oh wow, look at how pretty these are. So so much ephemera on there, so dimensional. And there she glittered again using stickles. If you can see that glittery, all that glitter. So pretty. This one says homemade. Look at these here. The cute gingy on the ticket. The cakes. Here's the piping bag. A lot of poinsettias. Look at that cute mouse. Look at all that glitter. Isn't that pretty? So 4 rosettes. Let's put that back nicely. She packed it in there really nice. So I'm going to try to put it back nicely. So some of the other ones, that when I took it all out, it took me a while to figure out how to put everything back in to make it fit. So since this is the last one, I'm going to try to get it to be good. All right. So you're going to get 4 rosettes. Then in here, this is her Memory Decks card. And let's open this. It's hard because I have a band-aid on my thumb, so I have a paper cut. Look at how cute that is. And look at all the diamond dots she used for the berries. Isn't that cute? Look at the cute mouse. And in the back, okay, so it says Maria Mursa. So she has an Etsy, Plenty of Designs, and Instagram, Plenty of Designs. And it's very sturdy. Very cute. Let me put that in here. I don't know how you all get to fit so perfectly into these bags. Like my bags have to be they're either really big because I have to fit them in. All right, you know what? I'm gonna have to wait on that. So let's get some more things. We have that. So here, she made these shaker snowflakes. So this must be her shaker. You see all the shaker bits in there? She used silver paper and white snowflakes. And here she has the Like the, are these berries that are sticking out? And it says bake, and it says sugar and spice there. She has silver. Like the berries sticking out. So cute. Very pretty. You're going to get 2 of those. Here, she made this cute gingy lollipop holder. So you're going to get a lollipop. How cute is that? And let's see what all this is here. So, all right. Oh my goodness. Okay, so let's see. So here, wow, y'all, look at this. Look at her dangle. Look at how long that is. So she used that file holder by KS Craft, and here she did a double bowl, one with tulle and one with glitter paper there. Look at this big ball. It's an ornament with a gold star, and look at all that chunkiness all the way down. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Look at that fuzzy pom-pom trim. Just so much prettiness. Look at that. The gingerbread house. So pretty. That's a really nice dangle. You're going to get this dangle here. I'm going to put that in there. And in here, it says recipe notes. Let's see what this is here. So in the recipe notes is a file folder. She made a mini file folder. Oh, and these are all her die cuts. Okay, so let's go through her die cuts. Let me see here. Oh, look at that one. That one says cookies with the cookies as the O's. That's cute. Here, oh, she made 2. So let me, 2 different colors. If you can see that. So you're gonna get 2 of those. 2 milks, so you can go with, you can put as milk and cookies. And she used her embossing folder. If you can see the Swiss dots. Oh, there's a cute reindeer. How cute is that? And here are some sentiments. Gotta love sentiments. So here she used gold foil paper. It says Jingle Bells. It says no peeking. Another Jingle Bells. That one's in silver. This one says Secret Santa and Santa Baby. Cute, cute, cute. And here, these are bag toppers. So she did it in red and green glitter paper with white foam. Look at how cute that is. So she left it open so you'll be the one to put that on your project. And here are some more sentiments. They go this way. There's Christmas. So Merry Christmas. Oh, 2, and then a smaller one. Merry Christmas. That's cute. I haven't seen ones that go up and down like that. I wonder what dye that is. Oh, and here's another cute reindeer. Super cute. And these are some a couple snowflake wreaths. Look at that pretty blue foil paper. And you have it in white as well. You have some snowflakes here. 4 different types of snowflakes. You can see that. So dainty. You got to be careful with these. Oops. I say you got to be careful and look at me. And this says Joy, Noel, Hope, Peace, and Believe. You can see that there. So you get 2 of them. Aren't those pretty? And it says here secret recipe on the top. How cute is that? So this is how she housed her die cuts. Love that idea. Again, great packaging idea. All right, I'm gonna have to redo this and take time to put it back in nicely. Here she made 4 bows, 4 mini bows. Oh, and look at how cute the centers are. Here you have a mixer, and these are gumdrops, and uh-oh, that one is a mixer, but that one has to get back on there. Is my glue gun on? It is. Oh, well, it's stuck on there. Okay, so there you go. Look at the pretty bows. Oh, the accent. This one has a silver, like a spray. This one has snowflakes. That's so pretty. Love the colors. So 4 bows. This here looks like rolling pin embellishments. Yes, they are. Look at these pretty rolling pins, and they have they're decorated with poinsettia flowers, red glittery poinsettias, and some ephemera, and these pearl beads or findings that, you know, they're like a spray. It says, "Let's eat homemade and bake." That is so pretty. All right, so let's see here. Let me put this back. And last but not least, look at these pretty flowers. Oh my goodness. These are so pretty. Let's see. So she has this on some chipboard here, very thick chipboard, but look at her flowers. Look at how dimensional they are. And she used glitter, or maybe the paper is glitter, but you see how shiny they are. And she has the gold ball in the center here, and she glittered the leaves, or maybe it came like that, I'm not sure, but aren't those pretty? Wow, those are really nice. Awesome. All right, so that is Maria's swap. Thank you again, Maria. I really appreciate you joining this swap. So you all, that's the end of the Baking Spirits Break Group Swap 2024. Again, you all are the ones who made this a success. You know, all the participants, all the people watching. It's thanks to you all who made this, you know, it's been an amazing adventure, and I just want to thank you all again. So that's it. I'm going to start pairing everybody and sending swaps out, so then you'll see some people, you know, on YouTube. If they have a YouTube, they'll probably be doing their reveals, and so I hope everybody's excited. Can't wait, you know, for everybody to get their swaps. Again, thank you all again so much for being here, and I hope you all have a fabulous day. Stay tuned, because now I'm going to get back to my projects, and I'll be sharing my projects, doing more tutorials, and yeah, focusing on crafting my projects. Anyway, you all take care and have a good day. Bye.